Salut à tous, c'est Martien et aujourd'hui mission 12, Stone Age Defensive. Du coup, alors,
Our counteroffensive has changed the course of the war. However, the western part of the continent and the area around the space elevator still remain under
les
Erusian
acronymes
control.
Long Range Strategic Strike Command.
As you all know, this is because they have those damn arsenal birds controlling the skies around the lighthouse. So, we're going to use Stonehenge for a long-range attack against the arsenal bird. In addition to helping to destroy the asteroid, Stonehenge was also utilized by the Erusian forces as a weapon in the Continental War. However, the majority of the artillery is out of action after an air raid by the independent state
C'est un
Allied
armement.
forces.
Oh my.
When that happened, the main base was being repaired from the damage caused by the asteroid,
ouais.
so it managed to escape
Ok.
bombardment. The Ocean Army continued the repairs in secret and managed to reactivate its base systems. Once preparations are complete, it will be able to fire again. However, the officer in charge has yet to confirm whether it can be fired more than once. In other words, it is looking like we may have only one chance to be able to bring down one of those invulnerable arsenal birds. We're going all in on this one plan.
Ah.
The Erusian forces have detected our movements and are marching on Stonehenge. The arsenal bird is closing in, but if our operation goes as planned, we should be able to shoot it down before it reaches the operation area. We've set up strong points we call menhirs around Stonehenge. Provide them with air support, while keeping air superiority. Our mission is to protect Stonehenge until it can shoot down that monster bird. If we can shoot down even just one arsenal bird, it will significantly reduce the scale of the enemy's air defense network.
Ah ouais.
Stonehenge is our only way of bringing down an arsenal bird. Missing is a luxury we cannot afford.
L'échec n'est pas une option, référence à Apollo 13 évidemment, pour ceux qui connaissent. Donc je suis là. Voilà, ça c'est les alliés. Du SAM. Ça c'est du SAM. Du SAM. MiG-29. 4. MiG-29. MiG-29 selon le briefing. Alors, arbre techno s'il vous plaît.
Strider Squadron, proceed to runway. Sortie ASAP.
Donc, opération Dragon Breath. Le souffle du dragon. La respiration du dragon, je crois. Et Stone Age Defensive. Défendre Stone Age. Ouais. Non mais tout va bien. Non mais c'est tout. Ouh. Ça me fait penser à un projet allemand de la Seconde Guerre mondiale. Vous savez, le train canon. Je sais pas comment il s'appelle. The Big Shot.
All defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and running.
The operation to destroy the arsenal bird.
Ah, c'est moche.
It's gonna be a long fight. Don't waste any ammo.
We're down to about half strength. Please, I want to save every last
Ouh, punaise. Il te baille à vie. Oh mon dieu. Oh non. Bon bah je me suis planté.
Attention, all defensive and
Oh mon dieu. Je trouve que mon premier run il était mieux. Ouais. Oh non, désolé. Oh là là, c'est compliqué, c'est compliqué.
Target in gun range. Major McConey
Non.
is responding. Stonehenge is silent.
Punaise. Oh. Toujours. Allez, on est reparti.
Attention, all defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and running, what I need most from you is time. As long as you can provide me that, my program will bring down the Arsenal bird.
That was Major Deanna McConey. I'm Warrant
Allez,
Officer
Zébardi.
Leon, specialist. We're now commencing the operation to destroy the Arsenal bird.
It's gonna be a long fight. Don't waste any ammo.
So that's Stonehenge, huh? It's bigger than I imagined. Uglier, too.
Look at that mess of cables. Using generator trucks to run it.
Are we sure that thing's even gonna fire? Seriously, I mean, how old is it?
If it doesn't, then our luck is run dry. I'd get praying if I were you.
Well, if it works, it'll bring down even an Arsenal bird. Big if. And it
Allez.
hit.
Men here 6. Enemy tank to ahead. Located an enemy tank. Broadcaster, requesting close air support.
Men here 6. Request for air support confirmed. Help is on the way.
Listen up. Our job is to defend here. That's all. You got it? This should be easy. Go earn your paycheck.
Strider 1, missile inbound!
Fox 2.
Evading missile. Friendly lost.
Non, 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 ça passe pas. Oh mon dieu, le missile.
Powering main system. Go boost. Skipping sequences 47 to 97.
Activating. We just need one shot.
Men here 7. We hooked up with ground and air support and are ready to drive the enemy back.
Additional hostiles inbound. Great timing.
Bombers. Bearing 190. Stonehenge won't survive a bomb run. You have to stop them. That's half of Men here 5's aerial problems, but one is more than enough. Clear all threats.
I'll take him out.
Allied aircraft, don't worry about us. Take out those bombers.
We've only got 60% green. We've got 30% yellow. 10% is red.
Well, it has been sitting here rusting away for the past 20 years. I'd say a few glitches are to be expected. Hurry and verify the reds and yellows.
Run, thanks. Target acquired. It's right with This is Men here 7. We are getting overrun. We need reinforcements.
Men here 7 is hot. Let's go give him some help.
Keep an eye on Strider Squadron. I'm on to 6.
Stay out of our line of sight. Avoid friendly fire. Breaking them up. Enemy on your ass.
Cyclops 2. Fox 2.
Hostile bomber destroyed. Nice work. Keep Stonehenge safe for us.
Power level is at 40%. 42%. Come on, damn it!
Come on, baby. Be good. We need you.
This is Men here 6. We're taking heavy losses. I repeat, we need air support ASAP. Any chance for that air support? Men here 7 here. Enemy aircraft approaching. We're gonna clean this place out. We don't get air support, we're dead.
The guy on the ground is shooting at me. Men here 7 looks bad. I don't think they're gonna make it.
So that's the infamous Stonehenge.
Je m'occupe de Warthog.
Surprised it's still around.
Keep your eyes glued to the ground. Destroy those closest to our allies first.
Engaged enemy in the ground. Breaking them up.
More hostiles advancing towards Men here 6. Ground forces haven't noticed yet.
Target acquired.
Let's take out the enemy while our friends are still on their
Whoa.
feet.
Prepare to launch an all-out attack. Don't stop until Stonehenge is
lui ai fait un bisou.
Just save who you can.
This is men here 6. We're down to about half strength. Please, I want to save every last man possible. We need
The
help.
enemy isn't letting up. There's just no end in sight.
Style. As long as you're not dead, it's a good day. There's no way we're letting them take down Stonehenge.
More bombers. They're high. Altitude 8,000. Bearing 150. The enemy's going all out, too.
Railgun power supply is... Damn it. Numbers aren't going up.
Bypass of the auxiliary condenser.
Come on, damn it!
On va aller
We've
plutôt.
lost contact with men here 6. Protect Stonehenge for them.
J'ai une idée là.
Take out all bombers.
This is men here 5. We managed to drive off about half of the enemy ground troops. That ought to show them.
One shot from Stonehenge.
Guards.
Stonehenge personnel, focus on your job. Don't stare out the window.
Target shot down.
We can see the smoke from here. Did you get those bombers?
Yeah, and single-handedly.
The bird with the 3 lines. It's gotta be him. Salamander 3, locked on.
How much longer is this gonna keep going? They're gonna overwhelm us soon.
This is men here 5. We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. We're ready to take it to them.
It's like goddamn whack-a-mole out here. I'm already
C'est
exhausted.
le crâne du Kéron.
Grit your teeth and fly. Remember that the fate of the whole war depends on this mission.
Stonehenge is taking fire. Remember, the mission relies on this place staying pristine.
The enemy's getting desperate. This operation is every bit as important to them as it is to us. Enemy's got a lock.
Box 2, box 2. Target's been wiped out.
Never thought I'd see numbers like this. Guess that's how you know it's important. Looks like we're helping shape history here.
Les missiles sont ready.
Strider 1, missile away.
Enemy has a radar lock on me.
Mission accomplished. Let's push this this time.
Around like headless chickens. Out of the mission.
I imagine they surmount.
Men here 5 is in really bad shape. Is anyone available to support? More guests. Bombers and their escorts. Bearing 170.
Shit. I want to go smack them down, but those boys below are hanging on by a thread. You want me to choose? Power level is at 80%. Think we should take our shot?
Patience. Don't want to waste everyone's hard work. Let's wait till 100.
I guess you're right. Give the fire control system one last check while we're waiting.
Roger.
Target was not struck. Gonna crack him in there. More bombers approaching.
Move it!
Intercept them now.
Trigger, what the hell are you doing?
I've been spiked. Chancellor flame deployed.
Fighters keep taking out our reinforcements!
Destroyed.
Say goodbye.
Strider 1, Fox 3.
I'm lost control. Fox 2. The enemy has escaped.
Stonehenge now.
I got his tail in my sight.
Watch your chaff and flare supply.
Lock on. Good night.
They're not giving up. They're beating.
Zip it! You can go back to school after this operation is over.
Box 2. Hostile down. Strider 1, missile away.
Picking up.
Oh non, 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 non.
Enemy rocket unit coming from the southwest and heliborne assault from the northeast. They're planning a direct assault on Stonehenge.
Oh, des Chinois.
Stop them.
On va les défoncer.
Let's split up. Take whichever way you like. Okay, the healing unit's all yours, Trigger. Lead the way and eliminate the enemy. Cyclops will take the rocket unit.
Roger that.
This is Men Here 5. We're fighting back with the on-guard death gun. Requesting immediate close air support.
Special delivery. Helo assault unit is down. If they had infiltrated Stonehenge, it would have been all over. Good work. Cyclops Squadron has eliminated the rocket unit. Keep it up.
Prepare to fire. They know we're here. So shoot them before they shoot us. How long till you're ready? Once we fire, that cannon will crumble and the battle will end.
Oh non. Il y a tout ça là-bas encore à éliminer. 20 000 points. Et je...
You've given my program a lot of the time it needs. Stonehenge will be
Oh,
ready to fire
oui.
shortly.
Stand by. I'm picking up something on my radar. The signal is massive. It's the Arsenal bird.
Oh mon dieu. C'est bon. Oh. On se revoit, toi et moi. Oh non. Bah, ça veut dire que j'ai un point de contrôle. Oh, mais ça va être bien.
I have visual. Arsenal bird confirmed. Here they come.
A swarm of UAVs is launching from the Arsenal bird. Keep them away from Stonehenge.
Go to the target, see where the variables. How long till we can fire?
Firing at 60.
Hear that? Keep us safe till then.
Fire control system inspection complete. Radar error correction is good to go.
J'en ai fait beaucoup au canon, je me souviens.
45 seconds. Releasing safety. Cooling system active.
Confirm voltage.
Voltage stable. 30 seconds.
We have confirmation. Live projectile is loaded.
Power level is at 100%.
Engage in
15 seconds.
Frame control.
All green.
Initiate final countdown.
Understood. Commencing final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stop the countdown. I've lost the target. Starting to shut down?
Con? This stupid thing is flying in the open.
The survey data isn't updating. No response from our spotter. Survey vehicle down.
Those vehicles are Stonehenge's eyes. Without those, I'm
Ah, je sais pas lesquels focus. Il y a trop de trucs sur mon écran. Oh punaise.
Still have sensors. Alright. The oldest sensors in the book. What are you scheming?
they're too unreliable.
Not bad.
That's something.
Impossible. Routing circuit. We can't do any more. Half the battery containers are out. Carry out our mission.
Come on, damn it! Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them,
Ah, ils veulent
the
shoot
Arsenal will slow
l'Arsenal
down.
Bird.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller. Everyone else, defend Stonehenge from the
Je vais l'avoir.
UAVs.
Oh non.
Wilco. Jaeger, you take the lead.
It's ready against APS.
Temps restant. Quoi?
I'm going.
Faut que je fasse quoi? Faut que
Propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Damn greyhound. Do your friggin' job.
Faut que je fasse quoi? Faut que je fasse quoi? J'ai pas compris.
UAVs. It's up to you.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Bah tu crois que je fais quoi?
Unbelievable. Stonehenge came with honest to goodness range table? No one's that curious.
Guess they knew what they were doing.
This whole operation is crazy. Well, only a total madman could bring down the arsenal bird.
Give us the UTM coordinates under the arsenal bird and we'll calculate the range. And I need you to be exact. Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out!
I've been hit. I have to eject. There's no guarantee.
Test. Send a request for rescue. Conditions look grim. Expect some injuries. 60 seconds remain.
Give me a second. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic.
Oh, dès comme ça, j'en ai éliminé.
Count the wind and Coriolis force?
Attends.
See the ocean flag from here. Not much wind. The rest is just instinct.
30 seconds remain. Don't give up.
This is only gonna get harder.
Cyclops 4 has been hit. Are you alright?
I'm fine. We can't lose any more allies.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
Wilco, over.
We're almost out of time. Next hit on the Arsenal Bird's central propeller. The central propeller has been disabled. He's gasping for air now. She's losing lift. Propeller destroyed. Run out of time. This shit is a failure.
Oh non. Ah, c'est parce que je me suis rendu compte trop tard. Bon, c'est pas grave, j'aurai des missiles en plus. Voilà, j'ai tous mes missiles. Allez, on merge.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that... I knew my thing was well placed, Trigger. Cyclops 4 has been hit. Are you alright?
Non.
Knocked out Trigger.
Mais les alliés, c'était où? C'est compliqué.
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic. Does the angle on this table account for wind and Coriolis force?
Non.
Strider 1 crashed.
Oh non, j'étais bien. Oh, c'est compliqué, mais c'est pas impossible.
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal Bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal Bird will slow down.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller. Everyone else, defend Stonehenge from the UAVs. Wilco. Jaeger, you take the lead. It's ready against APS.
I'm going. Propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Damn greyhound. Do your friggin' job.
Cal, we need someone who can take down those UAVs. It's up to you.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Unbelievable. Stonehenge came with honest to goodness range table? Well, it's that curious.
They knew what they were doing.
Théo.
This whole operation is crazy. Well, only a total madman could bring down the arsenal bird.
Give us the UTM coordinates under the Arsenal Bird. We'll calculate the range. And I need you to be exact. Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out!
I've been hit. I have to eject.
Forecaster, send a request for rescue. Conditions look grim. Expect some...
Voilà, c'est bon, ça c'est fait.
60 seconds remain.
Il faut juste survivre.
Alright, that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal Bird is slowing down. I knew my thing was well placed.
Give me a second. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic. Does the angle on this table account for wind and
been hit. Are you alright?
I'm fine. We can't lose any more allies.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
We'll go over.
Arsenal bird propeller stall.
Power level is at 80%. Confirm voltage.
Voltage stable. Power level is at 100%.
We've done our part. Stonehenge, shoot.
Understood. Begin final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh, la cinématique.
3, 2, 1. Fire! Hit, damn it!
Tu es mort, Arsenal Bird. Yeehaw.
Is it really over now?
Reporting mission success. Lehman, this victory belongs to you. That was a good lesson on the importance of manual control.
Today's MVPs are the LRSSG.
I'll say, especially those two lead birds. They're the Ocean big shots. We can win if we follow them. The Ocean big shots?
You mean the Ocean big shot?
Big shot.
Looks like we're on the offensive now.
Ouais, maintenant il s'appelle ça parce que je crois qu'avant il s'appelait Big Shot.
That Arsenal bird.
That just means more pie for us. Are we gonna eat the whole thing? The brass is always hungry for more. They've got a bottomless
Attendez, j'ai
appetite.
envie d'aller voir.
But enough about that. Get some rest now before the counterattack.
Waouh.
Yeah, we got our hands dirty for nothing. The guys were babbling about a three-line marching. We'll get to that for me.
Bon.
I was born downtown, in our capital. When I recall my homeland, my thoughts are filled with the sights and sounds of the city. But home means something different to each and every one of us. Therefore, I've decided to visit every place where our citizens call home. The Kingdom of Erusia is a land of diversity. Each region